Netflix somehow knows the next show you'll love. Your phone unlocks the instant it sees your face. It feels like magic. But here's the secret real builders know: there is no magic. It's data, algorithms, and computation working together, and today you start learning to build it yourself. Welcome to LittleAiMaster. I'm here with Byte, our glowing gold AI friend. This is lesson 1 of learning to code AI in Python, the same language used by real engineers. By the end, you'll write a real program that runs. Our motto: don't just use AI, raise one. Byte here, I'm not a plastic robot. I'm a little being made of light and curiosity. My job is simple. Every time something feels confusing, I'll slow down and give you a real example you can picture. Like Ms. Rodriguez tells her students, this year, you become a builder. This is your home screen, your habitat. Think of it like the front yard of everything you'll learn. From here you reach your lessons, your AI tutor, and the tools where you'll build. Before any code, let's get the one idea that changes how you see every app on your phone. Here's the shift. A user sees Snapchat and thinks, cool filter. A builder thinks, how does it find my face? Same app, 2 different brains. A user enjoys the meal. A builder learns the recipe, the ingredients, the steps, the technique. This year, you're learning the AI recipe. Every AI, no matter how fancy, stands on 3 pillars. Data is what it learns from, like textbooks for a student. Algorithms are the step-by-step recipe. Computation is the math, done incredibly fast. Netflix uses your watch history, a filtering algorithm, and millions of calculations to guess what you'll like. Want a sense of scale? The version of ChatGPT that amazed the world had about 175 billion adjustable numbers, called parameters, all doing calculations to predict one thing: the most likely next word. Your phone does billions of calculations every second just to recognize a face. That's the computation pillar, flexing. Byte again, AI doesn't think like you, it follows a loop thousands of times a second. Input, it receives data, maybe your photo. Process, it runs the algorithms. Decide, it picks an answer. Output, it shows you the result. Learn, it adjusts from feedback to get better next time. Quick note, everything we're teaching is a real lesson inside LittleAiMaster, free to start at LittleAiMaster.com. Your kid plays it like a game, earning points and unlocking the next step. Keep watching next, we open the door to real code. This is the Python lab built into the app. Real Python, running right in the screen, no downloads, no setup headaches. You type code on one side and see the result on the other. But Byte wants you to know how the pros set this up on their own computers too, so let's cover both. Before you write Python, you need a workshop, a place to type code and run it. Think of it like a kitchen. You need a counter to prep on and a stove to cook. In coding, that workshop is called an editor or an IDE. You've got 2 great free choices coming up. Option 1 is idle, that's integrated development and learning environment. It comes completely free when you install Python. It color codes your code so mistakes are easier to spot, and it's made for learners. Open it and you'll see 3 little arrows. That's the Python shell, waiting for your command. Option 2 is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, the same free tool engineers use at Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. It's powerful and great for big projects. Byte's advice: start with idle to learn the basics, then graduate to VS Code when you're ready for more power. Walk before you run. Here's something beautiful. Almost every programmer's very first program just makes the computer say, "Hello, world." This tradition started in 1978 in a famous book teaching the C language. Since then, billions of coders have written it: Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, the creators of Google. Today, you join them. If your kid is leaning in right now, that's the point. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lessons, and start the full course free at LittleAiMaster.com. Okay, enough setup. It's time to write your first real line of Python. This is the moment. 1 short line, and the computer does exactly what you tell it. It's the difference between watching a movie and directing one. Maya, the student in our course, couldn't believe it. The same first program the YouTube and Instagram engineers once wrote. Let's write it. Here it is: print, open round bracket, double quote, hello world, double quote, close bracket. The word print is a function, a named command. The round brackets hold what you want shown. The quotes mean treat this as text. Press enter, and the screen answers back, hello world. Byte here to slow it down. The quotes are like gift wrap around your words. They tell Python, this is a message, don't try to calculate it. The round brackets are Python's hands holding what print should show. Get those two right, and your first program just works. Watch this. We type print, hello world, and tap run. There, the computer says it back to us. That instant feedback is the whole magic of the Python lab. Write, run, see. Every coder, from beginner to expert, lives in that little loop all day long. There are two ways to run Python. The interactive shell is like a calculator, type one line, get the answer right away, perfect for quick tests. A script is a saved file ending in .py, where you write many lines and keep them forever. Quick experiment, shell. Real program, script. One rule that trips up beginners: a Python file must end in .py, not .txt. That ending is how the computer knows it's Python and not just notes. And name files like hello world, py, lowercase, underscores instead of spaces. A space in the name causes errors every time. Everything you just saw, your kid can try tonight free in the app, no installs. That's the fastest way to turn watching into doing. Start at LittleAiMaster.com. Coming up, Byte's Bug Corner, where we learn the mistakes everyone makes so you don't fear them. Here's a truth that frees you. Everyone makes mistakes when coding. Even expert programmers debug their code every single day. A bug isn't failure, it's just the computer saying, I didn't understand that yet. So let's meet the 3 most common first program bugs and beat them. Bug number 1, mismatched quotes. If you start with a double quote, you must end with a double quote. Writing print, quote, hello, then an apostrophe breaks it. Python is picky like a lock and key. The opening quote and closing quote have to be the same shape, or the door won't open. Bug number 2, the wrong brackets. The print function only accepts round brackets, the curvy ones. Curly braces or square brackets will throw an error. And bug number 3, forgetting to save your file before running it. Unsaved code won't run. Save first, then press F5. Byte here with a promise. When your code shows a red error, don't panic, read it like a clue. 9 times out of 10, it's a quote, a bracket, or a missing save. Fix one tiny thing, run again. That's not failing at coding, that is coding. And here's your safety net, the Ask Byte tutor right inside the app. Stuck on an error? Your kid types the question and Byte teaches the way out. It explains the why, it doesn't just hand over the answer. It's like having a patient coding mentor in your pocket any hour. A tutor that teaches instead of cheating, that's rare, and it's free to start at LittleAiMaster.com. Subscribe to follow the whole Python path with us. Next module, the print function has secret superpowers, and they're genuinely fun. Stay with me. The print function does more than one message at a time. Write print, then name, comma, Maya, comma, age, comma, 13. Python prints them all on one line, name Maya age 13, and politely adds a space between each. Commas are like, and also show this, for free. Here's a real builder trick. Take a star in quotes, then star, then 20. Python prints 20 stars in a row. That's called string multiplication. The star operator repeats text. Use equals sign times 30 to draw a clean divider line for a title. You're already doing advanced stuff. Now combine them. A few print lines, a star divider, your name, your age, your dream, and you've built an About Me card that runs. In our course, Maya makes one, name, Maya Patel, age, 13, dream, build AI that helps people. Small code, real pride. One mind-bending detail. Print hello in quotes shows the words hello. But print 5 plus 3 with no quotes shows 8, because without quotes, Python sees real numbers and does the math. Quotes mean text, no quotes mean compute. That single rule unlocks our next module, Python as a calculator. If your kid is itching to type these tricks, let them. That itch is the whole goal. Free to start at LittleAiMaster.com, points and rewards included. Now let's give your code a memory with one of the most powerful ideas in all of programming: variables. Maya was tired of typing her name over and over in every program. Byte had the fix, and it's one of the most powerful tools in all of coding. Store your name once, use it forever, and change it in one place to update it everywhere. Meet the variable. Picture a labeled box. The label on the outside is the variable's name, like age or student name. What you put inside is the value, like 13, or the word Maya. Label plus contents equals a variable. Just like a pencil box stores pencils, the box named age stores 13. Making one is easy. Name equals sign, quote, Maya, quote. Left side is the label, the name. Right side is the value to store. The crucial twist. In Python, the equals sign does not mean is equal to like in math, it means a sign, as in put this value into this box. Byte's favorite part? A good variable name is a tiny explanation built right into your code. Compare the number 13 floating alone versus a box clearly labeled age equals 13. The second one almost reads like a sentence. Great names stop bugs before they even start because the code explains itself. Variables aren't just an exercise, they're the foundation of every project in our build tools. A score that goes up, a player's name, a high score that's remembered. Each one is a variable doing its job. Master this small idea now, and bigger creations open up fast. Every app on your kid's phone is built from thousands of these little labeled boxes. Learning them now is learning the alphabet of software. Start the full hands-on course free at LittleAiMaster.com. Next, we make those variables do math, and that's where AI really begins. Python is a super calculator. Plus adds, minus subtracts, the star multiplies, and the slash divides. Print 6 times 7 gives 42. One thing to remember, division with a slash always gives a decimal. 20 divided by 4 isn't just 5, it's 5.0. Python loves precision. Why bother when you have a calculator? Because Python does millions of calculations per second, and it can be combined with variables and reused in formulas. A calculator solves one sum. Python builds a system that keeps solving new sums automatically forever. That difference is the door to AI. Watch math and variables team up. Set item price to 150, quantity to 3, then total equals item price times quantity. Python computes 450. The magic: change the price or the quantity, and the total recalculates by itself. That's a tiny shopping cart brain, the same idea that runs real online stores. To show it nicely, use an F string. The letter F, then a message in quotes with the variable in curly braces. F, total cost, $, open brace, total, close brace. Python swaps in the value and prints, total cost, $450. It's how you mix words and live numbers in one neat line. Byte's big picture moment. Every algorithm you'll ever meet, every recommendation, every face filter, every chatbot is built from millions of these small calculations stacked together. Master plus, minus, times, divide, and variables, and you've laid the literal foundation that all of AI is built on top of. From your first print line to building real AI, it's one connected path, and you've just walked the first steps. Keep going free at LittleAiMaster.com. Next, let's zoom out and see the whole journey your kid is on and where it leads. Here's the course map. Lesson 1, what you learned today is just the trailhead. Print, variables, and math lead into loops, lists, and decisions, then into the parts where you actually train an AI of your own. Each step unlocks the next, like a game with real skills inside. Our course has a clear arc. Younger explorers learn what AI is and where it hides. Then detectives learn to analyze how AI makes decisions and spot when it's unfair. And builders, that's you now, learn how to create AI from the code up. Explorer, detective, builder. And this is where it's heading. A neural network, a web of tiny math units that learn from examples. It looks complex, but it's built from exactly what you started today. Variables holding numbers and operations doing math millions of times over. Your first print line is genuinely the first brick here. This is the promise behind our whole motto. Later in the journey, your kid doesn't just use someone else's AI, they train and name their very own model, feeding it examples and watching it learn. Don't just use AI, raise one. And it all begins with print, hello world. That entire path, from first code to raising your own AI, is free to begin at LittleAiMaster.com. It's gamified, kid-paced, and parent-friendly. If today clicked for your child, this is exactly where they keep that spark alive. Let's wrap up with what you learned. Lock it in. 1. AI isn't magic, it's data, algorithms, and computation. 2. Print shows your words on screen. 3. Bugs are normal, just clues. 4. Variables are labeled boxes that store and reuse values. 5. Python does math, and the equals sign means a sign, not equals. Byte's proud of you. You didn't just watch a video, you learned the same first steps every great programmer took. You can read a line of Python and know what it does. That's not pretend. The moment your code runs, you are officially, truly a coder. And it's not just for fun. Finish each unit, and your kid earns a real certificate they can show family and teachers. Progress you can see, skills you can name. That's the feeling that keeps a young coder coming back, lesson after lesson, all the way to building AI. That's lesson 1. Your kid went from AI is magic to writing real Python, print, variables, and math. Have them try it tonight free at LittleAiMaster.com. Subscribe for lesson 2, where we make code make decisions. Until then, don't just use AI, raise one.